Hey, hi Siak here. This is Priyanka. So I would like to know that what is your experience of your LPM training delivered by Advanced Agility and by your facilitator?
Okay, thank you, Priyanka. First of all, when I joined this training, I just want to up in my career and to learn new thing about portfolio, and I learned many things because now I don't work in portfolio, but I know how
Hmm.
I can manage that, and how my boss work on that, and I can advise many things to my boss how to deal with portfolio and to other things in portfolio case. And I learn also about facilitation skills, and many things about planning, budget, and how to organize portfolio, and many artifact also, many template also to deal with portfolio. And it is a good training for me, and I hope I will use in my life anytime and next week.
Perfect. Good to know that at least you get a lot of new learnings from this training, and I'm so sure you will be able to apply and implement these learnings in your career as well. The last question definitely would like to know from you that what is your thought of the facilitation skill of your trainer and the logistics which have been given by Advanced Agility?
I think in my career I use a facilitation skills again, but to I learn in this training, then to I need to improve them. I need to try to implement many facilitation skills in order to combine and to use it with many business, and to know how I can I can I can get business to work with me, and to use these facilitation skills.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. And any last word for your trainer and for Advanced Agility, the way they have conducted and connected with you regarding all the training information and everything?
No, not specific.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Yakir, for sharing this information. Thank you.
Thank you.